At Pevino, we are proud of the timeless classical Danish design of our wine cabinets. The high quality in the details, the elegance and functionality speak for itself. Our cabinets have a simple, elegant front door with a black, white or stainless steel frame. The single zone cabinets are perfect for storage over time at a given temperature. And the dual zone cabinets are ideal for keeping the wines at serving temperatures. The dimmable light inside the cabinet are free of ultraviolet rays, hence it does not harm your wines, it only brings the focus upon the bottles. The shelves are made of oak, which again gives you the sense of quality. The cabinets can be built in or stand alone. We have wine cabinets for professional as well as for private use. The Pevino range of wine cabinets has capacities from 22 to 320 bottles. We are confident that you will find a Pevino wine cabinet that will fit your needs.